Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing fine. And today we're going to do color layer blending modes in Figma. The name can be weird, but I got the name from Bring Your Own Laptop from the channel that I learned how to use Figma and how to learn it faster and faster to get really good in your designs. So let's get started without further ado. What are we going to do? I made everything here beforehand, my kind of, design. I got some, images from the Unsplash, and I'm going to choose the image, which I'm going to click it, and I'm going to click on the Ctrl-Alt-C to copy and Ctrl-Alt-V to paste it. As you can see, it's really good. If you do the vice versa, it's gonna be the really bad for your design. I did it for all, but I know that I'm going to regret it for the last time. Oh no, next time. What I can do with it, I can play with its saturation, contrast to make it look, darker and make it look a little bit, how to say, neon color. But for the next time, I can draw a rectangle to make it cover. For this blending, I can use some colors such as red, purple. It can depend on your whatever you want, and I can play with its layers. I'm going to use the one on the right side of this app, pass through, and I can choose it for myself. The next thing I am going to do is the same thing with the R key on your keyboard. I'm gonna draw a rectangle. I'm gonna make it on this cover totally, and you can do it with me as well. But what am I going to do? I'm gonna do the same thing with the color, but the color is going to be purple for this one. And you can see I changed it for this hue saturation, and you can do this as well. But the next thing I'm gonna do, I have to be sure that it's under my image, and I can do it whatever I want. But for moving it, for playing around with my image, I can do little, how to say, tricks, such as changing the color, changing the linear, and also changing the angular of this image. Here I'm going to do so many weird things about my color. I'm gonna do the turning it upside down and making it a little bit changing, but it depends on whatever you want to do. If you want to do some other things, you can make work, and you can make work with your designing skills. But here I'm doing a little bit weird kinds of things, but you know how to do this. If you want to know a little bit more, I can develop my skills and I can not teach you, I can learn with you. As you can see, I did it, but it didn't go well. You have to choose which one do you want. You want to do it with the light one, you want to do it with the dark one, you choose it. It's kind of a, how to say, a little bit spontaneous thing. You don't do as it says. You do as what you want. It's like this. But I like playing around with it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna add some, text on my design. I did Ctrl-Alt-C and Ctrl-Alt-V to copy and paste my image. And here I'm writing some kind of things. I'm gonna make it obvious and I'm gonna make it bigger for you to see. I'm gonna play with its color. And I'm gonna turn it, left. Yeah, left. I'm gonna turn it left. I'm gonna choose the color for my text. It's gonna be yellow, I guess. Let's see. What am I gonna do? I want to make it a little bit bigger, but it's not the case for this design this time. I think I have to choose this size. As you can see, it's not going to be that much bigger. 128 is the, proper one. So I'm gonna choose the color for this text, and the text is going to be, I guess, the yes, yellow as I learned from the videos. And I'm going to choose the style for it. The style is how you are going to work with it. I guess I have to work with my background also to make it look chic and also really elegant. Yes, I think it looks good. You can do it with whatever you want with your design. It's up to you, and you can comment below that whatever you did, how does it work, how did it look. I would like to read your comments. I hope you liked it and learned and have fun with me. Hope to see you in the next videos. Share, subscribe, and comment below. I would like to see you next time. Bye.